Hello, Facebook. Here we are again at a public park. It's beautiful, isn't it? I hope everyone enjoys it the same way I enjoy it. Whew, walking 5 miles every day is something difficult, but I am going to do it. I have to lose all this baby fat. It's got to go. Good morning. I'll continue to blog since no one else wants to speak to me. So, this beautiful park. Beautiful park. There you go. So I can record the park without putting anyone in it, because I guess I'm not good at that either. So this is getting in between Linwood and Baltimore Street. This is right at the bus stop that I used to take when I went to school at Patterson High School, and lived in this area for about 20 years and just haven't been enjoying the park lately, but I'm starting to remember why I haven't enjoyed the park. So beautiful out here. I love it being chilly, you know. I love looking beautiful. Let's turn this around, because I think we all can agree that I'm more in this park at this moment. So we're out of the park now. You can watch it behind me, leaving the park. So I'll continue to be a single mom. Wow. Raising my children in this beautiful world. Looking beautiful. Good morning. In front of the world. There's a lot of people out here now. Make sure that I can cross and not get killed. Go on. Thank you. Crossing the street. This is what they look at when I'm crossing the street. And while I was inside of the park, everyone was like, oh my God. But while I was walking amongst nature. Good morning. People dying to speak on my side of the woods. Would you take me home to mama? even if you're a girl. They're so funny. They had the nerve to look at us kind of funny. When I say that I was drinking, it was so funny. Like, oh, so now all of a sudden drinking and smoking is just a complete, how should I say, rule it all for human beings. And then they all smoke some type of something. Some of them smoke cigars, some of them smoke hookah, some of them smoke cigarettes, and then some don't. But despite the fact, they know that the world is like this. So why is it that you frown upon me and judge me while you're not God? Just because I enjoy doing things that serve my purpose. You know, this oppressed environment that we're in is very interesting because, good morning. finally someone is able to speak, and it's real interesting because while I was in the park amongst all the white people, oh, you can't hear me? I'm sorry. I was just saying it's real interesting because while I was in the park, while around a bunch of white people, I said good morning to everyone walking through the entire park, and almost no one spoke to me. And it was insane because it's like, why? I mean, I don't know. Maybe people were just stunned. I don't know. I can't really describe, the feeling that I got from it. But in a world where we're all human, you should speak back. Thank you for speaking. Have a wonderful day. Your light is green. Damn. Oh, I didn't. Oh, I was still recording while that happened. But I didn't put his face in it because, one, that wasn't my intention, was to record that conversation. It just really caught me off guard that on my way away from the park, walking towards my house, is when I actually got someone to speak to me. And I wasn't even trying in that circumstance. I was busy blogging. So, long story short, as human beings, we should be able to speak to each other and expect them to speak back. Like, this is not, how should I say, a moment where we should be having our defense up. We should be offense all day, and that offense should be always guided towards love, speaking to one another, smiling at each other, sharing the beauty of the world, and just being very, amazing, and not just stick around and watch me and talk to me until I just go away. And it's like, well, why not just let me be and blog, or why not just let me be and watch the animals? Like, why are you following me around? And then when I had my dog, everything was okay. Somebody in the Jeep trying to show off. It's funny. I have that effect on people sometimes. But, I love the energy. I love it all. I love our world. That's how the world reacts. And, so be it. Eventually they'll get used to seeing this face because all of you are getting ready to see it. Good morning, Instagram.